right, Melissa, I think you're off to a solid start here. You're using same size circles and you're starting to lay them out in ways that are starting to show dominance. One thing that really needs to happen here, a couple things. One, all the circles need to be the same color. So if you're going to use black ones throughout the entire layout. If you're going to use white ones throughout the entire layout. Second, the page needs to be defined. Right now, you've got groupings at the top, groupings at the bottom, but you don't have the rectangles, the page itself defined, and you can do that through creating a tone for a background or just giving me a outline of the rectangle that these compositions are supposed to be happening in. On these, the idea here is supposed to be one group is supposed to be visually dominant over another group, and that's done through placement. Here, these two groups look fairly visually equal. This one a little bit subdominant, I would guess this one is, with this one being dominant, but this one is quite equal. Equal layouts. You know, I would probably say that this grouping here is visually dominant just because of the amount of space that it takes up over this grouping. So maybe give these ones another visit. And this one's going to be really important to get the outline of the page established, because the relationship the elements have not only with each other but with the page edge, corners, sides, those kinds of things help convey the idea of dominance. And so making sure that the single element, which is supposed to be visually dominant, occupies an important place in the composition, controls a decent amount of white space, and that the other elements are in subdominant places, often the corners or against the sides, will make the single element visual dominance obvious, and that's really what I'm looking for here. So if you could go and revisit these, making those changes and revisions, I would appreciate it. Then post your results when you're done.